Guys, back again. Hope you're watching my other videos and liking and subscribing so we can get to the next level, because this is just ground level that we're doing at the moment. But anyway, let's get into it. So this is GoTrx, and I bumped into this account doing my research as usual. It seems quite new, but after doing some research I see that they've been out for maybe a year or two. Let me see. Yeah, maybe a year or two. And it's just the usual sort of stuff, trying to earn some TRX. So let's look through the menu of what they've got. So I've got an account here. Let's have a look what we've got. So they've gave me apparently 50 TRX. I haven't tried to withdraw them yet, so I can't tell you that side of it. But so far, the website seems like it's working. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do one of the exercises that they ask, so that we can see how it works and you'll know how to do it. Here they're offering you to buy some mining equipment in the iCloud or in the cloud, and then I suppose you earn more TRX every day or every month. That's not what we're gonna do in this program, but I just thought I'd let you see this before we start. And you can see my account also. So I'm very new on here, but I have done my research and it seems to be working okay. If anything changes, I will let you guys know. So let's have a look. What's the bonus? Get a bonus of 2% of your account deposit every 24 hours. The more funds you have, the more have deposited or promoted, the higher the daily bonus. So let's claim the bonus. Have I claimed it? You have received a balance of 0.1, and it's working. So far it's working. So I'll come back for another one of them tomorrow. What else have we got here? We've had a look at the mining. So that's the mining. Okay, so now the PTC. So let's click a link and earn a little bit more TRX. So it's took us to another page. It's doing a countdown. Okay, so this is how you do it, guys. You click on the link, then you've got to do a quick math sum. So that's answers 4. Thank you, I've done it. And at the same time they're showing you another website, which we're not going to go into right now, but I do have a link for this website. So if you check on my links and go to my invitation page where over 200 links are, I have a link for this, and you can get, I don't know, a bonus for joining. But anyway, back to what we were doing. So I've done that one now. So let's look at my finance. So I haven't deposited nothing, I haven't withdrawn nothing, so it's not there. Where would it be? Let's try back at the beginning. I'm not sure, guys. Paid out 20 euros. Days online, that's me. I don't know where. Let's try withdrawing something then. Account. So yeah, there you see it. Before I had 50 TRX, now I've got 50.1399. So let's see, can I withdraw that? Payments are made quickly and automatically. Minimum payout is 10 TRX. So payment amount. So yeah, it's as simple as that. I could withdraw that now if I wanted to. So guys, this is a really good website. They do have a referral program also. So if you join my referral program, I'll get a passive income from you guys, and then you can also do the same thing to your friends. As you can see, I've got no referrals because I just this minute found it, and I thought the first thing I want to do is share it with my audience, because we have got the college of crypto. So then I thought this would be another good one to put on the playlist. If you've not checked the playlist out yet, check in my channel and you'll see, or go on my blog and you'll see building an education for crypto, so you can learn from my YouTube videos, and not only just learn, but you can sign up with me and join all the things that I'm making a passive income, and the rest of the team that's working with me are also, and follow the journey, and you will start to make the same income as we are, without having to invest too much of your own collateral. So stay with us, like, subscribe and share, and send me a message if you want to, or tell me some other good sites that are similar to this one. Also, I forgot to mention, the payouts on this one go to FaucetPay, so you do need to have a FaucetPay. So I'll put my link for my FaucetPay on here just in case you haven't got one. And I've also got other videos about FaucetPay to explain why they're so important in this passive income world. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you on the next one, guys.